Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun. What are we going to learn about today?
Today we're learning about Canva.
Canva. Excellent. Canva's a Web 2.0 tool, and it's a digital design center. So if you're used to Publisher or kind of Adobe Suite, is it free?
It is free. There are some little graphics and backgrounds and things that you can pay for, but you don't have to pay for anything.
Okay. I've never paid for anything that I've created on here, but I've had friends create birthday cards, resumes, announcements, posters, things like that.
Yeah.
Excellent. So in terms of UDL, if you think about this, you can really make engaging pieces for your classroom, posters that you can hang up or information that you want to give kids. But I think personally that giving this to students is really great tool for them to show you what they know and are able to create.
Yeah.
Can anybody use it?
13 and under rule. So if you're 13 and under and you want the kids to create on here, you just have to have parent permission.
Yep.
But after 13, they're good to use it.
All right, let's hear about it.
Okay. So up here, you're going to log in canva.com, create an account, all that good stuff. If you click more, that's where you get all of your options. So you have popular at the top and then social media posts. So like the top of our YouTube header, I used Canva to design it. Documents like letterhead. So if you wanted your kids to write letters, give them a fun background,
give them a certificate.
Resumes, certificates,
Gosh.
Blogging and ebooks, marketing materials, which is like your posters and business cards, flyers, and gift certificates. I've never seen that. You could do like certificates for your classroom.
Oh, that's cool.
Social media and email headers, events, which is like cards and business cards, all kinds of stuff.
So these are all templates. Let's dive into one real quick.
Okay, so let's do a poster. So you're going to go in and it's going to give you, hopefully, different options on the side. So you'll scroll through and pick which one you want. There are so many of them.
And you can see there's some that are marked free as well.
Yeah, and if it has a little dollar sign, it's paid for.
Let's pick a free one.
Let's do this one. Looks like fun. So if you click on it, everything then is editable. You can edit it.
So you can
change the color, the text, the size, bold, everything.
What are the elements?
Over here, elements. You can add free photos, grids, frames, shapes, lines. There are icons, all kinds of pictures and stuff that you can add in also.
Notice free too versus paid.
Yeah.
Okay.
Free, and then it'll have a dollar sign if it's paid. Charts, all different kinds of stuff that you can add in here. And everything that you add in, icons, charts, everything, all have your color change and you can make it yours personalized.
And then text over there. What does that do? Or
text, you can add other text in. It's just a bunch of different headings and things that you can add in. Backgrounds, you can change the color. And again, there are other backgrounds that you can drag in, and then you can upload things to add to it. So your own pictures and whatnot.
I thought it was nice because it keeps all of your uploads. So those are different images that I've uploaded for different projects, and it keeps it all there.
Yep. And then when you're done, you title it, you click download or share. If you click share, you can share it with a tweet. You can post it on Facebook. You can link it, embed it.
Nice. So you can put it in its learning or your LMS if you want.
Yep. And if you download it, you can choose download as a PDF, a JPEG,
or a PNG.
Yeah.
Very good. So just real quick, I'll show you one that I've done. So all of your designs is back at the home page. And this is one that kind of tells our story in UDL. So I actually did a custom size poster. So it's 26 by 24, which matches the poster maker that we have. But these were just shapes and images that I uploaded and put in that kind of shares our story of UDL in our district. But again, if you have students and you want them to create projects and you're on Chromebooks or you don't have some of the software, this is a perfect free tool for them to download and share their stuff with you.
Yep. Anything else?
No, thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Have a great weekend.